We'll guide you through how to set up forms with Appy. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
First of all, just go to any browser to your liking and search for Top GG and hit enter. Just click on the official website and in the search bar, just search for Appy and hit enter. Just from the search result, just scroll down and look for Appy bot and just click on the Appy bot. And from here, just click on invite to invite it to your Discord. And as you can see, I have already invited it, but if you have not, just authorize it with your account and it will be successfully authorized and you land in this interface. From here, now I'll get to choose a server. In my case, I want to choose the GuideRealm server, so I'll just click on invite the bot and just continue and authorize it. And after that, you will land in this interface. To make forms, just go to the application panel and after that, just click on new application. Give your application a name like forms and click on create application. And as you can see, our application has been successfully created and it will now appear in the application list. Just click on this edit icon to edit the form. From here, make sure to enable it and you can change your name from here and now you can start assigning the channel for pending submission channel. So just click on the drop down and select your channel, which in my case is going to be application and it's going to be same for accepted submission channel. I'll just choose application and same for the denied one also. And after that, scroll down and here comes the most important part. You will see an option labeled as accepted roles. Basically, this is the role that will be given to the applicant if their submission is accepted. And let's say I want to assign a staff role to the applicant whose application are accepted. So I'll just choose my staff role like so. And one important thing, just go back to Discord and go to your server settings and go to roles and scroll down and make sure your Appy bot is above the role that you want to assign, which in my case, it's going to be staff. So I'll just drag it to the top and click on save changes. And after that, we will just go to our browser. And after we have selected the accepted role, we will scroll down and go to this section called questions. Now, there are two types of questions. You can either make it a text or you can make it multiple choice. And you can add your own custom question from here by just deleting it. If you want to choose the question type as in text, just click on text and leave it as it is. And let's say I want to create question number 2 as in multiple choice. So basically, I'll just click on multiple choice and after multiple choice is selected, you will need to add answers. You can just type answers like yes and hit enter and it will be added as a choice. You can also add another like no and hit enter and it will be added successfully. You can also add a new question by just clicking on new questions. And after you have configured these settings, just click on save and it will be updated. Now just go back to your Discord and let's go to any text channel like welcome channel and just type /apply. Just choose from the recommendation and basically just type your application name, which in my case was forms. So I'll just choose it and hit enter. And as you can see, our application has been started in our direct message. So basically, when the applicant click on jump to application, they will land in this interface and they will start the application from here. Or they can also cancel the application. In my case, I'm just going to demonstrate on what happens. So after the applicant clicks on start application, they will be asked the question, which in our case, the first question was for text. So they will have to write answers manually like, yes, I like dogs. And hit enter. And the Appy bot will ask the second questions, which in my case was multiple choice. They will just have to click on the drop down and select the answer. And after that, the application will be successfully submitted. Now when I go to server and go to our application, you will see the submitted form application. You will see the questions and you will see the answer. And based on that, you can either accept or reject the form. Or you can even accept with reason or deny with reason. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose accept, and you will see the submission was accepted successfully. And now when I go to this person's profile, by just clicking on it, you will see the user will automatically get the role that you selected earlier, which in our case was staff role.